Hello, how are you? You can deposit from Binance. Deposit, click on USDT network, BEP20 network. Okay, copy. Then go to Binance. When Binance open, then click on wallet, then withdraw, then USDT, then send via crypto network, then place address or network you want to select is Binance Smart Chain BEP20. It's $0.3 fees, $0.29 fees, very minimum fees. Then you can withdraw. Minimum requirement is $10. Okay. If you withdraw $10, you will receive 9.71 in lbank exchange. Then you buy peepo coin is already pumped. When I give signal, it's 0.15. I think here I provide signal in my premium group. You can check. Here is 1.6 price, 1.5 price peepo. Okay. Easily got 2x 3x profit, 40 to 50%. So hurry up, don't waste your time.